Hey guys, make sure you go ahead and watch that lesson 8 video up above this one. We're gonna start on page 38 with another sprint. So go ahead and do another 90-second time sprint. Have your family correct and write how many you got right up in that bubble. That'll be page 38, lesson 8 sprint. Moving on to page 39, we will start with number 1. We are going to circle to make 10, write the 10 plus number sentence, and solve. So, Tom only has 8 goldfish and 5 angelfish. How many fish does Tom have in all? So he has 8 goldfish, 5 angelfish. They circled and borrowed 2 to make 10. Okay, so we're going to show that down at the bottom. So we borrowed 2 from our 5 to make the 8 a 10, and that left us with 3. All right, we have 5, we borrowed 2, 3 and 2 are our parts of 5. Okay, so that's 10 plus 3. So we have 8 plus 5. We borrow 2 to make 10. 8 and 2 are 10. So that leaves us with 3, which becomes 10 fish plus 3 fish equals 13 fish, which means 10 plus 3 is the same as 8 plus 5, which means 8 plus 5 is also 13. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, you're going to do the same thing for number 2 and number 3. So you're going to make 10 by circling. So the first one has 8. We're going to borrow 2. Show how we borrowed 2. How many are left? And then solve. Do the same thing over here for number 3. All right, that's page 39. Now we're going to go to the back for page 40. So solve, make a math drawing using the 10 frame to show how you made 10 to solve. So we have 8 plus 4. So we have 8, we need to borrow from the 4 to make 8 a 10. 8, 9, 10, we have to borrow 2 from the 4, and that leaves us with 2. So I'm borrowing 2 from the 4, leaves me with 2. Like that. Okay, that makes it 10 plus 2. Okay, I'm going to show that in my 10 frame. So I start with 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to borrow 2, 9, from my 4, 10, which leaves me with 2 out there. So I have 8 plus my 4, but again, I borrowed 2, brought them into here. So now I have 10 plus 2. And 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So 8 plus 4 is also 12. So you're going to do that same thing for 5, 6, and then, so 5 and 6. 7 and 8, you're going to use a number bond to show how you made a 10. So you're going to borrow from the 5, 8, or 5 plus 8, borrow 2 from the 5, and that's going to leave you with 3. Okay, so I borrowed 2 from the 5, so 8 and 2 is 10, leaves me with 3, so 10 plus 3 is 13. Okay? Do that for number 8. And that is everything for today. We have music today also, so there should be a music link if you want to go ahead and do that, or sing some songs, or if you can play an instrument, practice that today. Maybe teach your brothers and sisters some of the songs you were singing in music before school became homeschool. All right, so today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow.